Hey, in this video I am going to show you my homemade MRE, or DIY meal ready to eat. Now the reason why I decided to make my own MREs, or meal ready to eat, is because the regular MREs that you can buy out there, they can get expensive if you continue to use them a lot. And so I came up with my own requirements, and the first requirement is that it needs to be inexpensive, and if it's not inexpensive, then what's the point, I guess. And the second one is that all the components need to be shelf stable for, maybe 3, 4, 6 months or more, and I can cycle them out as needed. The next one is the items need to be ready to eat, where there's no cooking or heating involved. The next requirement is my food pack needs to contain at least 1,000 calories. That's kind of a figure I just came up with. And the next one is I wanted my meal pack to at least provide 2 meals for the day, and the meal pack must contain at least 2 pre-prepared beverages. Now the last requirement I just added because I've been experimenting with this for about a year now, and originally I put my food pack in a Ziploc bag, and after maybe a few weeks of using my backpack, and backpacks, it gets thrown around, it gets smashed, stepped on, and my beverages started leaking. And so I kind of came up with an idea of putting everything in a container so it'll protect the items in there, and if something does leak, it'll contain the mess and doesn't get all over your vehicle or doesn't mess up your backpack. And so those are the requirements. Here's how the container looks before I open it up. You can kind of tell what the food pack contains. Now I selected items that were available at like Walmart or any supermarket, and these are kind of like typical things that you would find that you can put into your DIY MRE. First is tuna, urban garlic, Spam single light, two paper towels, paper plate, this is an MRE flameless ration heater. It's kind of a bonus, and I'll show you what I use it for. And these are 2 beverage bags that go with this. Here are my 2 juice bags. Two peanut butter cups. 4 packages of crackers. Package of Slim Jims. Accessory pack. Two spoons and a knife. Instant coffee just in case I have water. Two lemonade drink mixes. Salt and pepper because I have it. Three packages of peanuts, salted. One Go-Go Squeeze applesauce. And actually some sugar, and I do get low blood sugar sometimes, and this is good for dessert, snack, and if you need a little sugar. And lastly, a Ziploc bag, because you might need one to contain any messes for garbage or anything. Now the two main meals of my homemade MRE are in this retort type pouch, which makes it shelf stable for quite a while. If you look at the best by date on the Spam, it's actually December 20th, 2021. And the best by date on the tuna is September 18th, 2021. And the other components have maybe 3, 4, 6 month shelf life. Now if I happen to have some water, I can use my flameless ration heater, because I have a bunch of these and might as well throw one in. And I can use my paper plate, cut up the Spam, and put the Spam into a hot beverage bag, and put this into the flameless ration heater, and it'll heat up the Spam. I also have a second hot beverage bag. I can put some water in here with my coffee, with my Spam, and put it inside the flameless ration heater, and I can have hot coffee or warm coffee and some warm Spam. And so that's the reason why I included flameless ration heater and 2 hot beverage bags. If I had to parse out the food for the entire day, I guess I would start off with a light breakfast. Go for a little peanut butter and crackers, and a little coffee if I had some water, and I'll use my beverage bag. For lunch, I would have the tuna, herb and garlic, with crackers, some Slim Jims, and a bag juice. For dinner, I would use my paper plate and have a Spam single, a couple of packages of crackers, some peanut butter, and my lemonade bag juice. Now for snacks, I would munch on some peanuts and maybe a dessert. It would be my applesauce, and I would snack on these as I need sugar. After adding up all the calories, I believe this thing is about just a little over 1,100 calories. Well, that's my homemade MRE for emergencies. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.